I'm doing it on this bike, stop scale, and Kirsty's filming. Kirsty, spin the camera around.
Hello, that's me.
Come on then, let's go.
Go! And here he comes around the corner, looking at speed, the blue bob in the distance. And he jumps down, he didn't fall. How fast was that? And as he goes into it. Dun, 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 dun. Where is he? Where is he? It's coming! Wow, look at this for fastness. Almost off the tree then. Oh, shame he didn't go off the tree though. Would have been funny. Wow, over the bumpy bits. Wow. Round the corner, almost skidding. And out of sight. Unpause. Wow. That's crap. Jokes. There's my bike and my helmet. Here he comes around the corner, and he past me, oh, and he goes into the distance around the ferns. Oh, we can just see his head there. Meow, into the distance. Blimey now, that was fast. I don't know how to stop around the tree. Goodbye. Well, no, there's still more. Here he comes around the corner, over the lump. Oh, he doesn't.
Thanks for watching!
Yeah, thank you, and good night. Have a nice rest.